Expunging criminal records tends to vary across the different states that make up the United States of America. The basic process is generally the same. The individual with the criminal record files a petition for expunction with the court that is located in the county in which the criminal offense was carried out. However, there are differences in the documents that are additionally required to be submitted by the individual. The exact nature of the process also varies in different states. While some states allow eligible individuals to apply for expungement so that their criminal records are completely wiped clean, others only offer the option of having the criminal records sealed. Thus, the options that are available to people residing in different states are slightly different. In addition to this, who or what is eligible for expunction also differs across the states. While there may be some commonalities, it is possible that a person convicted of a certain crime may be able to have their record cleared in one state while another individual in the same position in another state may not be considered eligible for expunction. The main purpose of this book is to provide its readers with a step-by-step guide of how to apply for expunction. The process itself is not short indeed. It can take up to 6 months for a person to finally have their criminal records cleared. Furthermore, it is also important for the person to know which petition form needs to be filled out and what information needs to be provided. If the information provided is missing or incomplete, chances are that the person's petition will be declined. This book also discusses the additional documents that a person needs to send along with the petition, depending on the state that he or she is residing in. Some states, for example, ask the individual to hand in an original fingerprint card that can be obtained from a clerk's office or the local sheriff's office. The purpose of having this fingerprint card is so that the court can identify the individual. The book begins by discussing the very basics of expunction and why one would need to get his or her criminal records expunged. A number of possible benefits have been discussed, such as ease of getting employment and housing, as well as the ability to apply for state licenses or posts in various public offices or law enforcement agencies. More than anything, even if a person is not really gaining anything visible from having their criminal records expunged, they will gain closure and a peace of mind that would help them to move on comfortably with their life. After discussing the basics of the expungement process and what the law has to say about it, the book briefly talks about the difference between record sealing and expungement. Although these two terms are often used interchangeably, there is a slight difference that is important to understand.